Many were confused after Tina Newman, a Disney production exec, took the witness stand for the ongoing defamation case. This was after the Disney exec basically testified that she knows nothing about Johnny Depp's contract with the company and that she's clueless on why the Pirate of the Caribbean star was excluded in the new installation of the film.
Do you have any understanding as to why Angela Shaw was sending this communication to this group, the two co-chairmen, the president, vice president of production, head of communications on this particular day?
I don't know what the intent of the email is, but
So, why did Amber call the Disney employee in the first place? Let's find out. Tina Newman's deposition didn't really do much for Amber Heard, and honestly, the only relevant information we got from her testimony is that Disney is not considering paying Johnny using alpacas.
Would Disney entertain paying Mr. Depp more than $300 million and provide him with more than a million alpacas to be able to obtain his services for any future Pirates of the Caribbean role?
no.
Kidding aside, fans question why Newman was called in to testify when she didn't have any knowledge whatsoever about Depp's contract with Disney and why the actor was cut off for his hit pirate movie. I mean, listen to how she emphasized that everything was beyond the scope of her authority.
Do you know whether Mr. Depp is being considered for a role in Pirates 6?
No.
And when you say no, I think I have to probably ask clarification. Does that mean you don't know one way or the other, or he is not being considered?
I don't know one way or the other.
Do you
Doesn't
know?
fall.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
I was just going to say that decision doesn't fall within my job responsibility. It's above my head. It's the best way to say it.
Even Johnny and his team couldn't help but shake their heads in disbelief. How could Amber's lawyer think this was a good idea? After Newman's deposition, viewers were left baffled as to why Amber decided it was a good move to call the Disney exec.
Do you remember seeing in any of the documents you reviewed that were produced by Disney in response to the subpoena Lucas Takem, the word op-ed in any of those documents? Do you remember seeing in any of the documents you reviewed that were produced by Disney in response to the subpoena Lucas Takem, the word op-ed in any of those documents?
I don't recall that, no.
Did you have any discussion?
Yes, she did have a chance to prove that her controversial opus-ed didn't cause her ex-husband his role in the Pirate of the Caribbean movie, but aside from this, her witness didn't prove anything against Depp.
If there is publicity relating to Johnny Depp, whether it be positive or negative, that would be relevant to Disney, would it not?
Yeah, I mean, I can't say how it's relevant to Disney, but given that Angela is part of communications, it's her job to, keep the studio abreast, I guess, of.
This is why fans are criticizing Amber's witnesses and how the Aquaman star and her team are seemingly out of cards against Depp. This fan even wrote, so they called a witness that doesn't know anything about Johnny Depp's contract with Disney. Other fans also mocked Disney for agreeing with Amber and taking the opposing side against a person they worked with before. Not to mention how Johnny's Captain Jack Sparrow brought them millions of dollars through the movie. Saying more about the matter, this fan wrote, Amber Heard deserves to lose everything because of this. She is such a disgusting human being. And at this point, Disney deserves to lose a lot of money because of her. They backed the wrong horse on this one for sure. Well, Depp had expressed no intentions of working with Disney ever again, and by the looks of it, the actor just got another reason why he would rather cut all ties with the company he once respected and loved. How about you? Do you think Tina's testimony will hurt Amber's chance in this case? Let us know in the comments below.